Hi, I wanted to jump on here really quickly in case you haven't heard about our customer appreciation sale that we have going on right now. So, today is the last day for you to be able to take advantage of these amazing offers that we have. Up to 70% off of a ton of product that I know are some of the favorite things that you guys love: large utility totes, medium inserts, thermal products, all that kind of stuff. So, definitely make sure to check out my website, see what we have before it is gone tonight. I wanted to show you really quickly how you can go to view what products that we have on sale. So if you go to my website, which is right here, the my31.com/Kimberly Harris, on here it will bring you up to this main page where it talks about our customer appreciation celebration. So if you click here where it says shop now, it will bring you over to our sale. And again, if you scroll down to the weekly deals and click on shop now for the weekly deals to see the 70% off styles, and remember, these are why supplies last, it will have a whole list of all the different items and their sale prices. Scroll down and keep going. There's 6 pages still left of products that are available at up to 70% off. So don't miss out on that. One other thing I want to remind you about is that right now we have our Celebrate You collection for 40% off. This is not offered in our catalog. So if you are interested in checking out these products and looking at the 40% off price, they're bundled together. And I actually just ordered one for myself and I love it. So I ended up getting this Uplift bundle and it's one of my new favorite bags. So again, these are available through tonight for 40% off as well. So don't miss out on these offers. I just wanted to remind you so that you guys didn't miss out and you know exactly where to find it so that you guys can shop. All right, have a great rest of your weekend and I will check back in with you guys another time. Bye-bye.